Hello children, today we're going to learn how to subtract using a number line or in our heads. First though, let's practice counting backwards from 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Today we're learning about subtraction. Subtraction is when we take things away. For example, here we have 1, 2, 3 tangerines. Our cheeky monkey takes 1 tangerine away. Now there are only 2 tangerines left, so 3 subtract 1 is equal to 2. Did the number of tangerines get greater or fewer when this cheeky monkey took one away? Fewer. Remember that when we work out subtraction with our number lines. Let's see if we can subtract using a number line. We will do the same number sentence that we did when we used the tangerines. 3 subtract 1 is equal to. The first thing that you need to do is look at the number sentence and decide which number is greater. In our number sentence, there is the number 3 and the number 1. Which one is greater or bigger? Yes, that's right, it's number 3. So you need to draw a circle around the number 3. Draw a circle around the big number. If you like, you can cross out that number in the number sentence so that you don't get confused later on. Have a look at which number is left. It's number 1. So we're going to subtract that number. We're going to take 1 away. And that means we need to do 1 jump on the number line. But which way are we going to jump? Do you remember when the monkey took the tangerine away? Did the number of tangerines get greater or fewer? It got fewer. So that means we need to jump towards the smaller numbers on the number line. I'm going to do 1 jump towards the smaller numbers. The number that you land on is your answer. So 3 subtract 1 is equal to 2. Now we're going to try some harder number sentences. You will need to draw a number line or download one from Twinkle. Continue with the video when you're ready. 15 subtract 2 equals. See if you can work out the answer by yourself. Did you have a go? This is what I would do. First, draw a circle around the big number. Which is bigger, 15 or 2? It's 15. The number 2 is left, and so I'm going to subtract 2. I'm going to do 2 jumps. I jumped towards the smaller numbers, and my jumps were also underneath the number line, which is what you need to do with subtraction. What number did I land on? Yes, it's 13. So 15 subtract 2 is equal to 13. Did you get it right? Here's another number sentence for you to try. Remember, jump towards the smaller numbers, and when you do your jumps, you're jumping one number at a time. 19 subtract 4 equals. Did you have a go? This is what you needed to do. Look at the number sentence and decide which number is greater. Is it 19 or 4? Yes, it's 19. So you draw a circle around 19. The number that's left is the number that you need to take away. It's number 4. So I'm going to do 4 jumps down the number line. The number that I landed on is number 15. So that's my answer. "19 subtract 4 is equal to 15. Another way to do subtraction is in your head, but you do need to be good at counting backwards from 20. Here's how you do it. Let's look at the same number sentence as before. 19 subtract 4 is equal to. The first thing that you need to do is put the small number on your fingers. So which number is smaller, 19 or 4? Yes, it's 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you take the big number and you put it in your head. 19. Then you touch your head, say the big number and count backwards on your fingers. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. So 19 subtract 4 is equal to 15. Oh, here's Space Dog. Space Dog says, if you found that difficult, try number sentences where the numbers aren't over 10. He wants us to do an example now. 8 subtract 3 equals. Which number is the small number? It's 3. So put that on your fingers first. 1, 2, 3. And which number is big? 8. So that number goes into your head. Then you're going to touch your head and say the big number and count backwards. 8, 7, 6, 5. So 8 subtract 3 is equal to 5. If you would like to practice subtraction using a number line or in your head, you can use some worksheets from Twinkle. Ask your mum and dad to write down the links now. When you type in the address, don't leave any spaces. Or you could work out these number sentences and send me the answers on Twitter. That's all for today. We'll see you again tomorrow for some more phonics. Goodbye.